Let's start by printing out the vinyl stencil. I'll share the file for this particular design in the description below. Then you transfer the stencil to the wood board using transfer tape, and here I'm pulling the transfer tape off of the stencil, and then the stencil is left behind. And you want to press down any bubbles using the little scraper tool. Once all the bubbles are pressed out and you're ready to paint, I use a high gloss acrylic paint, and then you apply the stain. The stain will not adhere to the gloss paint. Once you wipe down all the excess stain, you're left with a beautiful, shiny, white finish.